Hello and welcome. Subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to never miss the updates. In this video, we will talk about Android emulators. So what is Android emulators? Android emulator is the PC software that not only allow users to play games on a large screen, but also enable you to run Android mobile games and applications on your Windows and Mac PCs. Here is a list of best Android emulators for your PC. BlueStick is one of the most popular Android emulator. I will show you how to download and install BlueStick on your PC, and also how to run and use it. Then I will show you how to download Kinemaster, a popular free video editing software for Android. Open your browser and search for BlueStick. Click this download link. Now click this green download button. Click this save button. Now click this blue circle to access the download folder, and after clicking this folder icon it will take you to the download place. So this is our downloaded exe file. Double click it to start the installation. Now click this blue install now button to start the installation process, and installation and downloading process will begin. It takes me 1.5 hours to complete the download and installation process. I will fast forward this video to save you time. So finally the long installation process is completed. Now double click this BlueStick icon to start the BlueStick. Now we are in BlueStick environment. Click Play Store to start it. Click sign in. You need a Gmail ID to use Play Store. Put your Gmail ID. Click next. Now put your password and click next. Choose the two-step verification method you have set for your Gmail. uh, for example, I will choose this third option, which say tap yes on your phone or tablet, and okay, so click this tab yes, and now I have to tab yes on my mobile phone, and after that I will click done, and now finally I agree, and click accept, and now we are in Play Store. Now to install Kinemaster, search Kinemaster in the search bar, and click this install button. It will again take some time, so I will fast forward the video to save you time. It's almost 67 MB. Now click on this open button and click OK. Click allow. Okay, now the tricky part is to access the Kinemaster. Simply drag your mouse from right to left to get to this start menu and click start. In Kinemaster, click get project or click this create new, then click this option and click next, and now we are in the file. Click image, and now choose a color that you want to use as a background. Okay, you can change color from here. This is a color palette. You can choose any color and click this tick to apply the color to the background. Okay, and you can also choose color from this wheel. You can also apply the filters. So as you can see, by applying filter, and this one is the filter density. So you can also adjust brightness and other contrast setting from this menu. After applying the setting, you can click this right icon in the corner, and this is our background. So you can drag this to make it longer. Now click this layer, and you can use any animal. I will use sticker. Click this, and I will apply this alien face. Now you can adjust this by dragging it and click this stick icon. You can also apply animation, and let's see, this animation is good. Click this stick icon to apply this animation. Now I will click again and I will put some text like someone is laughing, so I will add this text. Now drag it down, and I will also apply animation to this text. No, Let's see, maybe I will use this animation and click this tick icon. Now to see the preview, click this play button. Okay, so I'll make it little longer. Now click this layer icon again and type some other tag. So finally installed Kinemaster, and on your PC click OK, and I will drag it little down, make it little big, and also change the color. Okay, and let's see some good animation for this text. This one is perfect. Let me see how is this result by clicking this play button. Okay, let's play it again. So I will add some more elements. Let's see, scroll up, and this one is perfect. Drag it to the position and adjust its size. I will apply some animation. Sorry, this is animation. No, this one is perfect. Click this tick icon to apply this animation, and now to the text. For example, I will type "Thank you for watching" and click this OK icon. I will adjust the size of this text and also change the color to black. Click OK. Now click this. You can play this by dragging it from right to left, or you can click this play button. Perfect. I will drag the background to make it some more longer, the background color. Okay, let me add some more element. Scroll down, and this one is perfect. Click this tick icon and drag this sticker to the place where I want it, and I will apply some animation on this also. Click this tick, and now I will add some text like please subscribe, and click OK. Now I will adjust the size of this text and also the position of this text, and add red color. Okay. I will drag this. I will change the size of this text and its position. So I will also adjust the spacing between these letters so it can fill the entire space. Click. Let's see if underline look bit good. So yeah, it's looking nice. Let's see if we can use some other sticker, or if this one is okay, then I will not change. I think so. This one is fine. But let's see if we can find some which one do you think is more good for this animation? Let's see. Let's add some other text, like how to. I want to use my channel name here. How to use a YouTube channel. And I also want to request you people, please subscribe the channel for more useful videos. I will drag this. Okay, so I will make it another animation. This will be our last screen. Okay, let me play the entire video for you. You can see the preview here, and finally then we will make it export it to a video format, and it's looking perfect. Now let's make it a video. If you want to add the music, bring your cursor to the starting point and click this music, and this is our music. Now click this plus icon to add the music. So now export this video, click this export button. You can change the quality of your video by dragging your cursor on this quality setting. Now click this save button. Now it's converting this animation into a video, and after it's complete, I will play it again for you to see the preview. It will take some time. And done. Click this button to play the video. And this is the preview of our video. And thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you for supporting my channel.